right?
What are you making, Sid?
Chicken and Dumplings.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to roll.
With what?
This.
What?
This is sticky up.
Hold on. Watch.
Mason, where's your new bike?
And you roll it.
What's in your mouth?
I need my sweet pizza too. My sweet stuff.
Let me see your new bike. Show me your new bike.
It's here. My is big.
What color is it?
Blue.
No, it's red.
Red. No. My bike is pink.
No, Mason's bike is red. Ryan's asking Mason, roll it out. Gotta roll it really thin.
It's really thin.
Think so? Yeah, that's it. It's only thin as it is.
I forgot to do that. Hey, we said that I go first when we're hot.
Here's another piece. Try again. Alright. Okay.
Roll
Roll
it.
it out.
Whoa.
Yeah, make it thinner than that, sweetie.
Okay. I'm shaping mine like a heart.
Okay.
How do you shape a heart?
I don't really know how you shape a heart out of that, baby.
You know, you make that. And you get a heart.
You're good. Alright, it's gotta be thinner.
Who likes hearts?
Me. My heart's got to be thinner.
Here, can mommy help?
No, you don't need to. I want my heart thinner. Heart may be really thin. It's really sticky there. Nope, they got that.
Let me see you, May. What are you doing?
Elevate!
Ride your bike.
Daddy!
Ride it. Put your feet on the pedals.
I can't go.
You can do it. Push. Here's your pedals.
I can't.
Too hard on the carpet?
I can't go.
You can't go?
I can't go.
Okay, turn around, ride it in the kitchen. Now you can do it.
I can't go.
Yeah, they had about 2 inches.
Go.
Yeah.
I can't go.
Yes, you can. Go.
Cindy and Jennifer sitting here making chicken and dumplings. They're making dumplings. Yeah,